26 June 1975, a state of emergency was declared.
And there is no doubt that at such a time, any country faces danger. When people think that there is instability, when people think that there may be a period when they do not know what will happen within the country, that is a period of danger for that country.
I feel it's very much necessary these days because you see the essential commodities, sugar prices, then you see butter, eggs, bread, everything have come down. And what about smuggling? That also, the smuggling activities have also stopped. You rarely find all these luxury smuggled goods on the roads, you know.
इमरजेंसी आज की देश की परिस्थितियों को तो देख के तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत आवश्यक हो गया था कि इमरजेंसी को डिक्लेयर किया जाए, क्योंकि आजकल देखिए कितना देश में कितना दंगा हो रहा था, स्ट्राइक्स हो रही थी एंड
I know that freedom to a certain extent has been restricted, but sometimes when freedom is misused or freedom is licensed, it should be restricted. We should not allow those traitors in our country sometimes who likes to create confusion, or these political parties fighting among themselves and our country going to dogs. So in order to save our country, in order to see that even the welfare of every man or common man is looked after, emergency is required.
Our people may be poor, and because the majority of them are poor, therefore we have had to stress on our programs for the removal of poverty, for the removal of economic backwardness, for the lifting of our entire society. I think nobody had thought, nobody had claimed that poverty could go in a couple of years. But I think that anybody who watches the Indian scene with clear eyes, who is not averse to facts and figures, will see.
From our experience of what is happening during the past 1 month, I feel the conditions created by emergency should have come much earlier.
I feel that there is a fear among many people, especially though they should fear who are guilty, who are criminals. A good citizen, honest, straightforward citizen has nothing to be afraid of emergency.
अगर ऐसी स्थिति में हम लोग इतने फायदे हो तो इमरजेंसी अवश्य कंटिन्यू करनी चाहिए.